Dear students, good morning. Today is the first class of class 12 and first chapter of class 12 is now solution. You have read solution in class 9 also. What is the solution? It is a mixture of two or more different substances on the basis of state. It is divided into 6 parts: solid solution, solid liquid solution, solid gas solution, liquid solution, liquid gas solution, and gas solution. You have also read in class 9. It is divided into 3 parts, that is two solutions, suspension and colloid, and at present it is out of syllabus. Now concentration. What is the concentration? The amount of solute dissolved per 100 ml or per 100 gram of the solution is called concentration, or in other words, the number of moles of a substance dissolved per liter or per kg of the solvent or solution is called concentration. On the basis of concentration, it is divided into 6 parts. First, concentration, percentage concentration W by W. Second, percentage concentration W by V. Third, percentage concentration V by V, that you have read in class 9 also. A new topic is molarity. Fourth, fifth, molality. Sixth, normality. And seventh, ppm, part per million. It is generally used for hardness of water. Now concentration. First, percentage concentration W by W. W by W means weight by weight, means mass by mass. What is percentage concentration W by W? The mass of a solute dissolved per 100 gram of the solution is called percentage concentration W by W. In formula you can write percentage concentration W by W is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. For example, 40 gram common salt is dissolved in 160 ml of distilled water. Find the percentage concentration W by W. You have read about water. Generally for pure water, mass and volume are same, means 1 kg of water is equal to 1 liter, means 1 ml of water is equal to 1 gram. Now mass of solute, that is common salt, 40 gram. Mass of solvent 160 gram, because 160 ml is equal to 160 gram. Now mass of solution, means mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is 40 plus 160 is equal to 200 gram. Now by unitary method you can write, since 200 gram solution contains 40 gram solute, therefore 100 gram solution will contain 40 by 200 into 100 is equal to 20%. Or you can solve it on the basis of formula also. Percentage concentration W by W is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100, means 40 by 200 into 100, that is also equal to 20%. Next is percentage concentration W by V, means mass of solute by mass of by volume of solvent or solution. For two solution, volume of solvent and solution is same. Now what is percentage concentration W by V? The mass of solute of a substance dissolved per 100 ml of the solution is called percentage concentration W by V. You can write in the form of formula as percentage concentration W by V is equal to mass of solute by volume of solution or solvent into 100. For example, 80 gram glucose is dissolved in 320 gram of distilled water. Find first percentage concentration W by V and second percentage concentration W by W. Now solution. Mass of solute 80 gram. Mass of solute 80 gram. Mass of solvent 320 gram because it is water. So 320 ml is equal to 320 gram. Mass of solution 320 plus 80 is equal to 400 gram. Volume of solution is equal to 320 ml. Now by unitary method you can solve it. Since 320 ml solution consists 80 gram solute, therefore 100 ml solution will consist 80 by 320 into 100 gram solute. It is equal to 25 gram. Means 100 ml solution consists 25 gram solute. So concentration W by V will be equal to 25%. Second, 400 gram solution consists 80 gram solute. Therefore 100 gram solution will consist 80 by 400 into 100. It will be equal to 20%. Means the percentage concentration W by V is quite different from the percentage concentration W by W. W by W percentage concentration is 20% only, while W by V is 25%. You can solve it according to formula also. Percentage concentration W by V is equal to mass of solute by volume of solution into 100. Means 80 by 320 into 100, that is also equal to 25%. Now percentage concentration W by W is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So it is equal to 80 by 400 into 100, that is equal to 20% again. Perhaps there is no problem in it. Now write some questions for homework. First, 60 gram sugar is dissolved in 240 ml of distilled water. Find the first percentage concentration W by V and second percentage concentration V by V. Second, 40 correct it, percentage concentration W by W, V by V is written wrong. Now 40 gram Now 40 gram sodium nitrate is dissolved in 160 ml of distilled water. Next question. Find percentage concentration W by W, B percentage concentration W by V. Third question. How much sodium bromide is required to make 500 ml solution having concentration 30% W by W? Perhaps you have written Now, fourth question. How much solute is dissolved? How much how much solvent how much solute is required to make 800 ml solution if 100 gram potassium iodide is dissolved? Find percentage concentration W by W and next percentage concentration W by V. What is percentage now? Next is percentage concentration V by V. What is percentage concentration V by V? It is only used for liquid. The volume of solute dissolved per 100 ml of the solution is called percentage concentration V by V, volume by volume. So it is only for liquid. You can write formula also. Write percentage concentration V by V is equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. For example, 200 ml ethyl alcohol is dissolved in 800 ml of distilled water. Find the percentage concentration V by V. Now, example will be in the next class.